So today we'll be cooking gunga rice. So I had this soaking from last night in water and garlic, and today we'll be doing brown stew chicken. So I had this seasoned from last night. So come along and cook with me and let us chat and reason. Hey, look how my gungo sauce pretty. Look at. You see? All of that bubbling. See? Yeah. So I'm gonna start do my chicken now. I'm gonna start brown my chicken. Yeah. So all I'm gonna do is just brown the chicken and cook it down own style. So I just watch something on YouTube and I can't believe this. Like me I feel laugh. But this little boy called the Freeport police station and they tell them if you let go somebody and if they not let go somebody by 24 hours what go happen, and they need $2 million. But people think that people just find $2 million, son. $2 million. I have to let go somebody or you torture one police. No, sir. Me, I serious thing, you know, but me I listen to thing and me I did laugh. Me I say, no, sir. What the hell I go through the little boy ahead? And it's like the news I say he's a teenager. He's a teenager. That I go through one teenager head. Saying go and torture one police and but I think so the police are go dead by a gunshot, you know. But I think the police are dead by a gunshot. We are going this, we are going that. Me I say, Lord of mercy. Come like a movie thing. Like everybody in Jamaica come like them an actor. Like him and them in Jamaica, them a real actor. Most of them. Any man who are not actor, they need to get the acting skills together because this can't real at all. Can't real. This can't real. So I'm going to use some music, some music, but I won't get copyright for it. So I'm going to just Google copyright free music. Yeah, so I'm going to get one playlist. So just try the playlist, try it out, you know. So one time I have for this channel, I always want to give a shout out, especially to new upcoming businesses and business, especially persons who start business who usually support JQs and caterers. So sometimes we go just say, we go just give a shout out to small business owner. Even if it's small, because even if you usually support us or you know somebody who usually support us because we are trying to give back, you understand? So if we spread the love all over, so yeah, so you know, we have to build each other because support go a long way. So support go a long way. Whether you support somebody by word of mouth or actually purchasing purchasing the product, or you tell a friend, or you share the video, or share the business page or something. But, you know, support or support. Everybody needs support and need a push. So yeah. So I actually start doing the chicken. Going to cook. Man, it pepper smell nice like this. Right, you can just eat the gungo without adding no peas, no rice to it, but I have the rice. Yeah. And actually, I just cook for myself because my kids are not here. Yeah. Hopefully by tomorrow they'll come back. But yeah, and I still have to cook just because yeah, it's coming after like Sunday Monday. Everybody know over Sunday Monday. But, so in the meantime, you know, I see some memes. I see some memes on Instagram. Well, I don't know. I best thing them in our life. So they have one that said with Queenie. Everybody know Queenie. Queenie, Mrs. Scarlett, the first Queen of Jamaica. Born in Mayfair, London, as the first child of the Duke and Duchess of York. Set foot on Jamaican soil to declare double top day. See them? In 1837. Once that ain't a double top. And see this idiot boy who did the bother Anjo, saying name going. They say my great-great-grandfather fighting for our freedom in the 1930s. It's the one with Skilly Bang, Ellie Skilly, the man who became Jamaica's first known drug trafficker, 1890. And then I have this a popcorn. My grandfather, one is Popeth Sutherland on the 5th, getting ready for the first unruly rebellion. My grandfather, after Hurricane Gilbert passed through Jamaica on September 19, 1988, and you can all see the money or so. Man. Watch this. Watch this. Jamaica first billionaire Governor General Debz, also known for the invention of the game Monopoly, 1899. And you know this. Who this? Oh my, Ninja Man. Ninja Man, a legendary photo of my great grand uncle, Ninja Jackaman. First and only black samurai who fought in the legendary Sting War during the 80s. Oh God, Tanto Black. A picture of my first cousin, a real rich Jamaican, founder of the Bank of Jamaica, which standardized monetary Hold on, shit. Let me go over this again. A picture of my second cousin, a real rich Jamaican, founder of the Bank of Jamaica, who standardized monetary policy, paving the way for financial independence and banking in Jamaica 1980s. And you know who this thing? Panther Black. Lord Jesus Christ. Why? My great-grandfather who left Jamaica to serve the British Army in the battle of the what is Sammy 1916, my hero. This is that Vice Cartel. Oh God. Andrew Happy in there. The man who created the word curfew sometime in 1740s, named Andrew Oldness. Lord Jesus, they have wanted Amari, founder of the Illuminati. So Amari, I found the Illuminati. This damn pyramid in there. Lord Jesus, they have wanted Saloni. So they have wanted Saloni. In this day in history, 1651, Princess Saloni Anderson II of the Planka Empire became the first person alive to witness their own night whilst being alive. She was subsequently fined $120,000, which led to her being dismissed from Plankaville, Planka Empire in bracket. Jesus, what's Saloni? The dressing that did really look like it come from the 16th century still. Not lie. So they have with Aishana, the legendary Madame Aishana. What is Aishi? The first female to fight for equal rights in Jamaica, 1869. So finally finished. Hunger kill me. Brunch stew chicken. So nothing much. I'm just gonna do this with some tomatoes, and I have here fried breadfruit and plantain. I'm gonna put this with it. This was my breakfast. I had this left over from this morning, so yeah. So I'll just show you, put everything together, and then I'm going to eat because I'm dying. Hungry kill me. So me just finished cook. I'm not lie, me mash up with food because me did hungry. Like really hungry. Me could have video that because it takes probably like 4 seconds down the plate of food. Due to me did hungry. So oh God, someone big up one of my friend business where she do. Flairz JA. Flairz JA. Natural Essentials. Yeah, so Flairz JA is a local company, and you can find Flairz. Here it is. Flairz. You can find them on Instagram. They sell like acne soaps, jewelries like custom made jewelries, yes. You can even do a Google search on Dream Flairz. So I just do a web search and it's Dream Flairz. Welcome to Dream Flairz JA, the store of fashion with a flair. With the keen eye for fashion, sophistication, and superb service born the idea of Dream Flairz. A great passion for unique handmade jewelry, makeups, bedazzled phone cases, and trendy style on fashion. I decided myself to do this business to ensure I provide my customers with the best of both worlds. So this company is run by Amanda Parson. I personally know Amanda. So yeah, you can go over to Dream Flairz, check out our Instagram page, and she also have a YouTube channel. What's the name of the YouTube channel again? Life with Amanda. Yeah, so you can check that out as well, and can just give girls some support and love. You know, we're all here to build and see each other grow and help each other grow. So yeah, so that's Dream Flair JA, and see, I also see the Instagram channel here, and so yeah, so it show you a lot of things, events, client love. So she do have client feedbacks, items on sale, how you go about shipping. Yeah, so we personalize in customized and crafted jewelry, custom made body butter, natural soap, giving you fashion with a flair. So you can go over to our Instagram channel. Never hurt just to try out, but just to search, you know, and follow. Following a person's page is also support. So yeah, go ahead and follow. She always also have pictures on it, so you can see everything. You can see customers review. So show a girl some love and go over to Dream Flairz JA, and the Flairz, so it's DREAME, sorry, FLAIRZ JA. So show a girl some love. So yeah, I've reached the end of my video this evening, and I'm telling you, like, me seriously just tired. Me just don't eat and me just tired. Me just want to sleep right now. Even though me not gonna sleep for real, but that I vibe of my body in a just sleep mode. So we'll see each other in the next video, and always remember, pray and keep God close. A prayer day, keep the devil away. So thanks for watching. Bye.